Hello students, I am Simi Sharma. Today I am going to explain very interesting topic, that is internal structure of heart. William Harvey was the father of circulatory system. The term cardio is used for heart and the study of heart is called cardiology. Where the heart is situated? The heart is situated in thoracic cavity in mediastinum region. Mediastinum region is that part which is present in between the two lungs, that is empty space is mediastinum region. Our heart is present at the center, but it is slightly towards left side. Its dimension means length into breadth into height, means 12 into 9 into 6 centimeter. In men and in women there is slightly difference in their weight. In men 300 grams and in women 250 grams. There are 4 chambers in our heart: right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle. Heart is very complicated structure. So I explain one chamber at one time and then you assemble it and then they forms a heart. First, right auricle. This is the structure of right auricle. In right auricle, 2 vena cavas, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava collect the blood from upper body parts. Inferior vena cava collect the bloods from lower body parts. See, these are the openings of superior and inferior vena cava. The opening of superior vena cava is Haversian wall and opening of inferior vena cava is Eustachian wall. There is one vein which is also present in our right auricle, that is coronary vein. Coronary vein collects the blood from wall of the heart. This is SA node. SA node, it originates heartbeat. And AV node, auriventricular node, it takes beat from SA node. And these are the finger-like projection that is known as musculus sphincteri. It regulates the flow of our blood. Now, second chamber, right ventricle. In between the right auricle and right ventricle, there is one wall that is known as tricuspid wall. Why it is known as the tricuspid? Because in this wall, tricusps are present. Papillary muscles are present at the base of the right ventricle. And finger-like projections are chordae tendineae. These chordae tendineae are attached to the cusp of wall, means tricuspid wall. Automatically this wall is open and the blood flows down from right auricle to right ventricle. Then this blood goes into pulmonary trunk. In pulmonary trunk, right pulmonary trunk and left pulmonary trunk. There is one exception in our heart. In our body, arteries carry pure blood, veins carry impure blood. There is one exception, means in heart, right pulmonary artery carry impure blood, means right side only deoxygenated blood is there. So it carries impure blood, right pulmonary artery and left pulmonary artery. Then this deoxygenated blood goes into our lungs. Why? Because in lungs the oxygen is present. They mix with that deoxygenated blood and it changes into oxygenated blood. When this blood is oxygenated, it goes into left auricle. This is the third chamber of our heart. In left auricle, right pulmonary vein and left pulmonary vein. Means again there is exception. What is the exception? Veins carry impure blood, but in our heart veins carry pure blood. Clear? Means it is brought through two pairs of right pulmonary vein and left pulmonary vein. Now blood is pumped down in left ventricle. Right side tricuspid wall is there, but left side bicuspid wall is there. Here is bicuspid, only two cusps present. But same as right ventricle, here is also a chordae tendineae thread-like structures. It is attached with cusp. And papillary muscles, same as right ventricle, here also present papillary muscles. It pumps down the blood in left ventricle. When the blood is pumped down in left ventricle, it is the thickest and strongest chamber in human heart. It is 3 times thicker than right ventricle. Why? It is stronger, it is thicker, because it supplies the blood in whole our body. So it pumps out the blood through aorta. This is aorta. Aorta, the father of arteries, supply blood in all the body parts.